Hello YouTube, out here again just doing another video. It's a beautiful day out today, so I figured I'd get out and do a power test for you guys. Each of these rounds, they're all high powered rifle rounds, and a lot of people wonder exactly how lethal they are. So I decided I'd demonstrate that today. I'm not going to be using water jugs like a lot of people like to do, and the reason for that is water doesn't act like any material on the planet. Anything going at it at high velocity usually just breaks up or is completely destroyed because it acts like concrete at high speeds. So I don't think it's fair to the rounds that go very, very fast, because the rounds that actually go slower usually penetrate more through water. And penetration is mass times velocity, which that equation really does not apply to water. So today I'll be using logs. The little round on the end here is a 7.62 by 39. It's a full metal jacket. I'll be shooting that out of the SKS. The one in the middle is a 243, which I'll be shooting out of my Remington 700 SPS. And the one on the end here is a 7.62 by 54R, and that is a full metal jacket, and we'll be shooting that out of the Mosin Nagant. Now this one here in the middle is a soft point, so I don't anticipate it'll penetrate as good because it is a hunting round. It's meant for dispersion, not really penetration. But I still think it'll do pretty well, so I'm going to test it nonetheless. And I'll take you guys out and show you the targets after I show you the rifles here. This is the SKS I'll be shooting out of. You guys have seen it before. 243s right here, Remington 700 SPS, and I got my Nagant over here. And each of them have one round in them, so we'll see what they do. I'll take you out here so yeah, you guys can see the targets here. They're basically just two solid wooden logs and a jug behind it. Now the jug is basically just an antifreeze jug filled with water, so it should pop a hole in it if the rounds go all the way through, which I don't know if they will because these are solid logs. Most of the time bullets don't penetrate too well through very, very solid objects unless they're only inches thick. But right here you got about 2 feet worth of logs, and then you've got that jug right there. Now here, I'll try to zoom you guys in so you guys can see this better. You guys should be able to see if the bullet passes through. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow my camera over. I'll be right back. We'll be shooting the SKS first, the 243 second, and the Mosin Nagant last. Be right back. Alright, now as you can see, that last round completely destroyed the bomb. We're going to see how many holes actually went into this thing. Pretty sure that was just the Nagant. Yeah. It's a hell of an exit hole. As you can see, that completely destroyed it. Now we have a little hole down here. Very tiny, minute. You might actually be able to see fragments of the round. I believe that was probably from the 243. Yep, and we have a round right there. passed through this little piece right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. But there's a round that went through there too. So all three had the ability to penetrate through two solid logs and all the way through a water-filled jug. Gives you a little idea of the penetration. Now most of these rounds with armor piercing, or most of these weapons with armor piercing rounds, will actually pierce an engine block. So gives you a little bit of an idea of what these weapons can do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one.